Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Pioneer model and firmware. This matters because features differ by version. Next, insert a known good USB stick formatted FAT32 and under 32 GB, avoid multi-partitions. Make sure the car ignition is in ACC so the head unit fully powers. Once done, use the radio source menu to select USB. If nothing appears, cycle power by turning the car off for 10 seconds and back on, because a soft reboot often clears detection glitches. You should now inspect the USB port with a light. Compressed air removes dust, and a magnifier reveals bent pins. Physical problems block detection. Try multiple drives and cables to isolate the fault. Use simple MP3 files in a root music folder and avoid excessive playlist complexity. Make sure the radio's USB mode matches your device. Some Pioneers prefer MSC for storage devices versus MTP for phones, and iPod mode must be enabled for Apple devices. Once you swap parts, you finish by updating the firmware when possible, because many USB bugs are fixed by updates. Follow Pioneer's update routine exactly to avoid bricking. If updating doesn't help, perform a factory reset, then re-enable USB and rescan the library. This clears corrupted settings. If the problem persists, check the radio's accessory fuse and wiring for power anomalies, or test the unit in a bench setup. Troubleshooting tip. If detection fails across multiple drives and cables, the port or internal board is likely faulty and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.